Hey guys, thanks for checking into another episode of Jack's Mechanics. I've got a 2019 Mazda CX-9 here, TC model. Just going to show you how to enter the maintenance mode on the rear brakes so you can change your brake pads out. This is obviously the model of the electric handbrake. So first things first, ignition on, handbrake off. We know that because the light's not lit up. Foot flat to the floor on the accelerator pedal. And then right here you want to push down on the button and hit the stop start button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you can hear them winding out, and now we have our maintenance light coming on at the top. To end this mode, and once you've changed your brake pads, once you want to put it back, same thing, foot flat on the floor, though pull up on the button and then on the start button again. 1, 2, 3. And now it's gone. So, and check the handbrake works. Handbrake light comes on. Happy days, guys. Thanks for following me on that one. If you guys got anything out of this or it helped you in any way, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to the channel for similar sort of content, and catch you in the next one. Cheers.